Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn for Fun. What's up guys? I'm your host Sylvia. So as you must have guessed, today we're gonna make this super yummy, healthy and super tasty chicken tandoori. We're gonna bake it, so let's get started. For this, we'll take 4 chicken quarters, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 2 teaspoons Tandoori Masala, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons cumin powder, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, and 2 teaspoons yogurt. So let's first make few incisions in the chicken so that all the spices are nicely coated everywhere. Now let's get started with the marination. For this, I've taken the ginger garlic paste and all the other spices. And mix it. If the mixture is too dry, you can add a few teaspoons of oil. Now let's add the yogurt and mix it well. I'm also adding some black pepper here, so you can skip it if you don't like it. So now our marination is ready. Now let's apply it on the chicken. Ideally, it would be great if you can marinate the chicken in the spices for 8 hours or so, or even overnight. It makes the chicken really nice, tasty and moist. But if you don't have so much time, at least try to keep it in the fridge for like an hour. In the meanwhile, line up some baking trays with the aluminum foil and spray it with oil. Now let's bake the chicken for 30 to 35 minutes. Flip it and bake it for another 20 to 25 minutes. You can experiment with the temperature. For me, if I reduce the temperature to 385 after flipping, the chicken turns out really good. But depending on your oven, see which setting, what temperature works for you best. So it's been 45 to 50 minutes and the chicken looks done. I have a meat thermometer, so if the internal temperature measures 165 degrees Fahrenheit, it's done. So if you have a meat thermometer, do check with that. But if you have baked for like 40 to 45 minutes, it should be done. I also like to broil it for a couple of minutes to get this nice golden brown color. So if you have that option, do go for it. But even without that, it tastes really good. So as you can see that the chicken is ready and it's really looking nice. It looks done. Just spraying a little bit of oil. You can also add a little bit of butter at this point of time to have that nice glaze. So there you have it, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you try this recipe. If you do try, let me know in the comments below. And if you really enjoyed it, do like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon so you'll get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. And if you do try any of my recipes, do tag me on Facebook and Instagram. Here are my handles. Thanks again for watching and supporting my channel. It means a lot to me. And I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, happy learning, happy cooking.